In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where Windows 11 24H2 doesn't give you the option to select Pro Edition during installation. For example, during installation, you might notice that the setup automatically installs Windows Home or Home Single Language without letting you choose the edition. To fix this, you need to create two files and place them in the Sources folder on your bootable USB drive. Step 1. Create a PID file. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop and create a new text document. Name the file as PID. Open the text file and add the required lines of text to it. This will include the product key for Windows Pro. Note: Windows will not be activated with this key, but you can activate it later with your own key if you have one. Step 2. Create an ei.cfg file. Save this file with a.cfg extension instead of .txt. Name it ei.cfg. Step 3. Add the files to your USB drive. Open your bootable USB drive in File Explorer. Navigate to the Sources folder. Copy both the PID.txt and ei.cfg files you just created into this folder. Now, boot your PC from the USB drive. The setup will now give you the option to install Windows 11 Pro during the clean installation process. In case you don't have the internet when installing Windows, you can bypass the network requirement for installation. When you see this screen, press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard, or Function plus Shift plus F10 if you're on a laptop. This will open the command prompt. If needed, press Alt plus Tab to select the command prompt window. In the command prompt, type the following command and press Enter. Your computer will restart and return to the initial setup screen. Go through the setup steps again, and this time, on the network connection screen, you'll see an option to skip for now, or I don't have internet. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.